Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's try to solve this problem. The problem is, what is the power in watts and current in amperes? The energy equivalent to 80 joules is used in time of 4 seconds when 10 volts is applied. Okay, now let us try to solve this problem. Okay, so he is saying that he has an battery. So this is an battery. He has 10 volts is applied, and he is asking us to calculate what is the power consumed by this what is the power consumed by this resistor when the energy consumed is 80 joules, and he is also asking us to find the current in amperes. Okay, so these two he is asking. Okay, so as per the given question, the energy given or the work done, okay, the work done or the energy consumed, which will be the units of energy is equal to joules. The given question is 80 joules, and given time interval is 4 seconds. No need to convert. Why? Because directly given in 4 seconds. So let's try to find out the power. Okay, we have the formula for power is equal to energy by time taken. Okay, so in the given question, energy, how much energy is given? 80 joules of energy is consumed by the resistor. 80 joules divided by a time of 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are, therefore 20 watts of power is consumed by this resistor. This is the first answer. Okay, what is the one more units of power? Okay, we need to know. So the one more unit of power is nothing but joule by second. Okay, why? Because the formula for power is energy. What are the units of energy? So the units of, we need to know the units of power. The units of energy is nothing but joule by second, or it is also called as watts. So the value of this power is 20 joules or per second or watts. Okay, next he has asked us to find the current. Okay, so voltage is given, so the formula for power P in a DC supply is V into I. Okay, so voltage is already given, so from this I can write down P by V is nothing but the value of I. So what is the power? 20 watts divided by how much voltage is applied? 10 volts is applied. 10 ones are, 10 twos are, then how many amperes of current is flowing? So totally 2 amperes of current is flowing. Okay, we have the formula for current, I equal to Q by T. So the units of charge is nothing but coulomb by second. You can write it as 2 amperes or 2 coulombs by second. Remember, the formula for current is amperes or coulomb per second. The formula for power is watts. Okay. The formula for energy is joules. Okay. So in such a way that we have got a clarity about the formulas for power, the formula for current, and the formula for energy. Okay. So the units of energy is 80 joules. The units of power is energy by time taken, where you are going to get as in watts or joule per second. Okay, and similarly we come across all the definitions. So let's try to write down the definition of voltage also. Okay, so voltage we are going to call it as it is an ratio of, so VIT divided by IT. Okay, so the units of VIT, which is nothing but is called as joules. Energy, the units of energy is joules divided by coulomb. Okay, so therefore the units of voltage in one more format we are going to call it as a joule by coulomb. Okay, so initially in this circuit what we are applying is voltage, what is developed is current is developed. Okay, and it consumes power as well as energy. Now let's try to write down in an order. So how much voltage we applied is 10 volts we applied. How much current is developed is 20 ampere. How much power it has consumed is 20 watts. How much energy it has been consumed is 80 watts. Okay, so this is the order we have. We applied a voltage of 20 volts. This we applied. Due to this voltage, what is developed is current. Current is equal to 2 amperes. Due to the product of this power equal to V into I. This is nothing but the power. Okay, and the formula for energy is equal to power into time taken. So that's what already given in the question. This is how we are going to have all the formulas. Okay. So therefore the power we are going to have it as 20 watts and energy as 80 joules. Okay. So this is how the formula of power we are having. Okay. Hope you are able to understand. We'll meet in another video. Okay. Hope if you feel the example is useful, please like the video and share the video with your friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name kvthulasi. Yours obediently, Ram. We'll meet in another video.